No. Wow. I love it. I will do oft this. And that's it.
It's good.
생각보다 뭔가 good.
It's good. For you.
Hey, morning. Today is Monday and we are going to do grocery shopping. Yeah. It's the best thing that fresh bread and with butter.
This is traditional Azeri cheese called motal. It's made in cowhide. That's why it's so smelly. So Madina's friend is here. It was a spontaneous meeting and she didn't make it in time to wrap her gift. So now I'll be doing that for her. Peptide lip treatment. A book with a note inside. And it's a few bath bombs from Lush, which is her favorite soap store apparently, but yeah. Okay, so it's ready. It's not the best wrap job, but you know.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday and honestly I have absolutely nothing to do for today. I woke up this morning and I didn't go gym with my husband. Yeah, sad. I want to talk about this book, Tree Grown in Brooklyn. It's about this little girl growing up in Brooklyn in the early 1900s. I can say that it's not too dramatic and it's not too hard for reading. It's feel like real, like someone actually lived this life. Anyway, that's enough about the book right now. Let's see what the rest of the day or week brings. This is the way.
That's it.
Finally.
Fine.
It's first latte. Maybe I can put some ice.
My first ever espresso shot. Let's see.
Really?
It's good. It's not the best. I think it's because of the beans, because we're using cheap beans now to season the grinder and just to test out, because we don't want to spend that much money on expensive beans. But this is better than some of the specialty espressos that I've drinking.
Really?
Yes.
Nice. Congrats. We're done, and we will watch Sopranos until it's time for bed. Yeah?
Yep.
Bye. And now I don't know what we are gonna do. I have to bake something, like, I don't know, sweet. Cheers. I'm gonna make this lemon crumble muffins.